It will be a weekend to remember for tens of thousands of Caviteños living in and around the birthplace of the nation's independence. Over 750 billion pesos or some 824 million in cash, relief aid, government service programs are up for grabs in government's biggest roadshow program for financial aid and more as we hear the rest from our Mela Las Moras.
Posters and banners of the Bagong Pilipinas Servisyo Fair are now up in various parts of Kawit, Cavite. The stage and chairs are also set here at the Aguinaldo Shrine where the BPSF opening ceremony will take place. There are also cops patrolling the area. On Friday, September 27, the 24th leg of the Bagong Pilipinas Servisyo Fair in the country is set to kick off in the province. House Speaker Martin Romualdez will lead the opening ceremony on behalf of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. According to the BPSF National Secretariat, all the necessary preparations for the gathering are now in place.
I would say, ma'am, sa target na kung ano ang kailangan ma-accomplish today, as of now, 100% ang accomplishment. This will be the third for the Calabarzon. So, sa preparation po ng ating mga ahensya, medyo partisado na po sila.
Among the local hosts of the BPSF Cavite include Cavite 2nd District Representative Lani Revilla, Cavite 1st District Representative Jolo Revilla, and Aguimat Party List Representative Brian Revilla. They said around 100,000 residents are expected to benefit from more than 824 million pesos worth of assistance in cash, services, and programs that will be provided during the two-day BPSF caravan in the province.
For example, sa DFA, opo, magkakaroon po ng free passport on wheels dito po sa Aguinaldo Elementary School. First come, first serve lamang po ito. Kung hindi man po kayo mapasok dun sa slot para po sa passport on wheels, madami pa pong ahensya na nagbibigay tulong at pwedeng magbigay ng serbisyo para sa ating mamamayan. At hindi lamang po yun, meron din pong Lab for All. May Lab for All din po tayo dito galing po sa DOH sa pamumuno po ng ating First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos.
The good news is, aside from the main program, several pocket events will also be launched in the province for the benefit of various sectors in the area.
Ang isip magaganap po sa Alima Elementary School. Ang card naman magaganap sa Imus City Grandstand. Ito yung Cash Assistance and Rice Distribution Program. At yung CBOL, yung Startup Investment Business Opportunity and Livelihood Program, magaganap naman sa Maple Grove General Trias, Cavite. So sana po ay maging matagumpay ang ating pong Bagong Pilipinas Servisyo Fair Caravan dito po sa lalawigan ng Cavite.
The organizers remind the Caviteños to pre-register if they can to participate in this one-stop-shop caravan. However, walk-in participants will also be accepted. For the local hosts, the BPSF caravan in the province will be a great help, so hopefully, the residents will make the most out of it.
Kami po ay nagpapasalamat kay Speaker Martin Romualdez at kay President Bongbong Marcos sa napakagandang programa po na ibinababa po sa ating mga kababayan.
Mela Las Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.